Next up today, we got for Miguel, box of 13 Panini Prominence football. Thanks for breaking here, Steel City. Good luck. Three inners. Five cards per pack. All right, first up, Ryan Matthews, Patrick Peterson, Josh Freeman. Autograph Monty Ball, 46 of 100. And base card, Alex Okafor. Pack number 2, you have Stephon Taylor, Adrian Peterson, Josh Gordon, Sam Bradford out of 99, and autograph of Jonathan Banks. And for the last pack, Chance Warmack, Eric Decker, Santonio Holmes, Bjorn Werner, and autograph of Bryce Butler out of 999. All right, thank you, Miguel, and we'll get these shipped out to you today.